I-Eskom iqale isigaba sesibili sokucishakonga kukagesi kusukela ngehora leshumi nomuvo namhlanje ekuseni kuze kuyoshaya ihora lesihlanu ngoMsombuluko ekuseni. Le nkampani ithi ukucishakonga kukagesi kuyaphoqa ngenxa yokuntuleka kwezikhungo eziphehla ugesi emva kokufa kwezikhungo ezimbili ebusuku. Kusukela ngempelasonto i-Eskom bisebenzisa ugesi obubekelwe izimo eziphuthumayo kodwa nawo usuphelile kanti udinga ukugcwaliswa. I-Eskom ithi izosebenzisa lesi sikhathi sokucishakonga kukagesi ukuvuselela lo gesi osetshenziswa ngesikhathi eziphuthumayo. Isikhulu esiphezulu se-Eskom u-Andre de Ruyter sinxuse abantu bakuleli izwe ukuthi bonge ugesi.
The extended period of stage 2 load shedding is necessitated by the breakdown of a number of generation units, the late return of other units that have been under planned maintenance, and the fact that over the past 4 days we have significantly depleted our reserves of both diesel and water in our pumped storage facilities. Now these two act as the battery or the buffer that protect us against a total system blackout. So the prudent thing to do is for us to implement load shedding in order to prevent exactly that total system blackout.